I'll shake it our life. Mr. David, you are welcome. Because you have no idea, my dear. Even if say you married to a black man for 20 years, my guy, it is different when you marry a white man just for only 6 months. Or you stay with white man for us just for only 6 months. The difference is so big. Now, only people who don't deal with my way, don't follow white man, way don't. My Bridget, you are welcome. Those people can relate. We know these people. First of all, let me tell you, I never marry Oyibo. But me and Oyibo go. We will be 10 years living together. June, yes. I've been living with my man since June 2012. We have been living together. Nearly 10 years. Living together. Mr. Michael, you're welcome. Mommy Blessing, you are welcome. I'm Lovely, you are welcome. Mr. Michael, you're welcome. Good evening, Mr. David. We have been living together. The relationship standard is different. The marriage standard is different. The culture is different. There are many things we are dealing with inside, which people who married Daki, they have no idea. You don't know how it is. And I see many people, they talk about Cora, talk about this, and the people when they analyze, and people will say they do Daki for us. I know they understand them. When they calm down. When they calm down, be calming down, please. Be calming down. Be calming down. Be calming down. Now we know those people. We know them very much. We know who they are. We know their weak points. We know their weak points. It is not easy to stay with a white man. Believe me. Not be my mind. Not be for small picking. There's a many women are separate. You'll see many women I go there with Oyibo. After a few years, you go run. Why you say be like that? You'll see go your born one picking for Oyibo. You go so Oyibo life and not fit. He go run. Because the rules where they guide marriage between white and black is so big. It's so different. It's so different. Many people don't know. Now, when many black ladies who marry black man is talking about relationship between a white and a black. And they sometimes they look there like this. My daddy, you know what we are going through here. Keep quiet if you have no idea. Keep quiet. Because most of our black women, they are always thinking they are smart when it comes to white men. Now they meet most of them like that. They always claim smart. And they talk of the women, the black women who are married to the black men. Now the problem when most black women they face, they will tell you white men are this, white men are that, white men are this. They will never tell you the truth. One thing white people don't like is lying. They don't like it. They don't like cheating. You say that it be like say you just carry knife put for their neck. You see lying to them. It's like you put knife here into their neck and you want to bring them out. White people don't like that. You know why? When white man they date you with all their hearts. When white man marries you, they will marry you with all their heart. And when you want to play smart, they will deal with you mercilessly. They not get you. And white people know they hear I beg you. Not be I beg you. They know they hear I beg you. They know they hear sorry. They know Sabian. It's not their team. It's not their thing. Black women, they lie so much. They think they are smart when it comes to white people. They want to use them. They are thinking they want to take what they did not work for and walk away. They don't like that. White men can be so lovely. They can be so caring. And they have patience. But one thing about them, when they say, I am done, no discussion. No discussion. They don't have time for discussion. When they say it is over, even if you like, you carry fasting and prayer for 2,000 years. He not they reach where they dey. He not go. Oh God. He not they reach where they dey. He not go reach them like this. Because their mind, if they don't make them up, it is finished. It is finished. White men don't like when some ladies want to play smart, especially when you are black or a foreigner. I don't care where, Asian, anything. They go quiet, say they don't know anything. But the time when they go come for you, when they come for you, they fight cry. You know, say, good evening, Mami Gloria. You go, they fight cry. You no go see cry. You they find death. You no go see him. You they call and make it come. You go far away from you. This is who they are. You they see, Gloria say they blow the fire. That is who they are. May I make one example? You go there with white man for house. One truth, you know, they come out for your mouth. You're there with white man for house. You won't become boss. They don't like it. You cannot boss them around. They don't like it. They want their freedom. They know what make you call. They tell them, go there, go here, make there, make here, do this. White men don't want that. White man can give you a freedom as a black woman. Do whatever you like. It's none of their business. They give you that respect. They secure their thing that they want. They secure. They want the world to not say, now you be their own. Yes, this is who they are. But the day they start smelling, baby, oh baby, this is your nyashi tongue. If you green mama la tongue. You know. Yes. Yes. Now who white man help when you don't already get paper from there, just like you, Ebony? White man help me, oh. Yes, nah. You don't know the story. White man help me, my dear. You see those people when they talk, so white man help, get paper, go. Now people like una, now una spoil them. For those of us when you like to stay with them. You people are the cause of all this. Let me come when they smell something now, they don't even wait anymore. They move. They move. They know they stay anymore. And when black woman too, they collect money for their hand. They don't already know your mission. They move. If you like, you bear 20 children for them. They move. This is who they are. Imagine one person tell me, when I did my city newly then, when a new come, when I tell somebody, say I changed my identity, you know what the person tell me? That guy when be say born for Oyibo, when Oyibo woman born for now, he say, Ebony, why you dey zuo like this? Now I say, bros, how far you tell me? He say, how you go tell Oyibo your real identity? I so baby. Oga, what you talk? He said they know they tell Oyibo your real identity now. You don't tell Oyibo anything about your family. You don't tell Oyibo anything. Okay, imagine that kind of person. Your Oyibo can't discover, say, everything when they talk, na be. Na they come out. Oyibo can't deal with, and also Oyibo might get you. If you are in their shoe, will you take that? If you are in their shoes, will you take that? You'll take. As if say now you good pass. I know they perfect, Oga. I know they perfect. But for this life, being smart is the baddest game ever you can play. To white people, don't play it. No play am. No play am. That is it. Imagine somebody telling me why you go tell your Oyibo your real identity. Why you go tell and say na really name na be this. Why you go tell and say see your papa name, see your mama name, so you be say how many siblings you get. Why you go tell Oyibo? Now I say, oh God, this one na man why I don't bust a copy key for. He say it no matter. Wait, he said, must you tell her? Now you don't know anything about my name. Imagine this kind human being with such mentality. You don't, Oyibo woman born for you. You are not only going to hurt that woman, you are also going to hurt that child. White people can be patient and pretend they don't see anything. Now their logo, they get patient. And they not sabi talk. They don't be like black where they white people don't have time. We don't want to deal with you. You go be like from 1 second to the next minute. They will deal with you. Sure you they get. For this thing where they trade for social media, I will tell you vividly, I think with my mouth wide open, the woman is the cause of her marriage. Now she get the problem of her marriage. She. White women, so white men, some white men, they marry black women because they say the way they train us. We go see they respect them. We not go call they do boss. We not go call they want they do controversy, because now the life when they are Oyibo they do, now make them know they like marry some of their like Germans. German men go tell you say they not like marry their German women. Yes, some German men go tell you say I don't like marry my German woman because they too want to do boss. You not get your privacy. You want the control. You know they let them get beats. They not they cook. You imagine you call for work. They also you must clean house. You must sweep. You must do this. They don't want that. That's why they say, I want to marry a foreigner. Either they go marry from Asia or they marry from Africa. Because they thought say, most of us, they train us from house. They train us from house. But because of the Europe system, because of the low mentality of some black people, telling Oyibo na money they can collect for their hand, that is why most of us missed it. Some people, they tell some people, say, you will marry Oyibo, you never marry. You don't marry, you never marry. You never marry. They feel so Oyibo not be human being. That the Oyibo, they get one tree where they block money. You need to do Oyibo life, they shop their money like say tomorrow, not day. You need to do Oyibo life, they lie. They carry black man on top of the Oyibo, and the Oyibo can't cash you. You say, me Oyibo still there with you. Who are you fully? And most of all these black women, they don't say the truth. They don't say it. They don't say it. Let me talk. If you are not married to a white man, you will not understand what that lady is facing right now. You will not understand. Ask me there now. I said they watch the tea. I don't already know what happened for there. Now we there inside. We are inside the game. We are all together. You know if you tell me say me when they with Oyibo in 2 months will be 10 years. Labor partner, living together partner, 10 good years. You don't tell me I don't know anything about them. You gotta be joking. I know them. I know how they flow. If Oyibo quiet, I'll tell you what they mind. If Oyibo quiet, I will tell you say exactly what they mind. Now so Oyibo be. I will tell you say see what they this Oyibo mind. In your feet their step every time I know them. I know them. Don't be too smart to them. If you know send a paper carry you show Oyibo there, I beg as you don't get the paper, get out. Just leave. Not complicate yourself. Just go. Just go. Just go before they detect you. Just go before they'll discover, say, now another mission you take come meet them for their life. They are smart like that. When you come with another mission, they knows, say, this one not come because of love. It come for another treaty. Say they know they know. They can't be patient, thinking you will change. You understand? Now so they be. Let me tell you things. For those people who marry Oyibo, and those people who get interest for Oyibo, let me tell you, white men are very nice. Believe me. Let me use from my own advice. They are nice. They can sacrifice a lot for you if they loved you. They can deny themselves a lot of things if they loved you. They can do anything that will make you happy if they loved you. But they don't like it when you take them for granted. Don't go there. Don't go there. When you be person where you be saying not they appreciative, don't even date a white man. And when you don't have patience, don't date a white man, not marry them. And when you know sabi tolerate, don't even go there. Black man, you and black man feel quarrel. May I tell you, you and black man feel quarrel, now go break up. Family member go come, they go settle the matter. Family member go talk about and the man family go talk about and they go make everything go sweet. They go come back again. But let me shock you for white people own. Mother don't have right to talk into their own marriage issues. Their mother have no right. Their father have no right. Their siblings have no right. When they make decision, if you go report to him, my mama go tell you, say, now you keep decision, no. He cannot help you. I am telling you. Oh, God. Hey, not be juju be that.